One of the biggest things that I hear pushback on when it comes to decluttering is about old crafting projects and outdated hobbies. If you're holding on to these things, today we're going to dive into why this is, what's really behind it, and how to finally make space for what matters most now. Hi, I'm Flora, certified simplification coach and 7-time author. And for over 27 years, I've been helping women like you align into a life and a business that you are wildly obsessed with by helping you clear out the 9 types of clutter, keeping you from a life that you love. And again, today we are tackling those old crafting projects and hobby supplies that seem to take up way more space than they deserve. Now, let's be real. These items are really hard to let go of. And one of the reasons why I think this is because they represent more than just an unfinished product or unused hobby equipment. For many, these things come with some form of baggage, like the money that we spent on the raw materials for the crafting project, or the money invested in the equipment for that hobby. Also, the time that you spent starting the project or the time that you invested in mastering that hobby. And it really doesn't stop there. There's even kind of a deeper layer to it. These items often tie into the vision of who you once were when you were actively working on that craft or engaging in that particular hobby. I mean, think about it. Maybe you imagine what life would look like when you were doing that hobby regularly, whether it's pickleball or canoeing or surfing or crocheting, whatever it is. Or maybe you pictured how amazing it would feel to complete this certain crafting project and display it, or maybe even give it to somebody as a gift. But here's the thing, if these projects or hobbies are really no longer aligned with who you are today, or they're no longer aligned with the life that you're building, they're really not serving you. They're actually holding you back. So let me ask you, when you think about these outdated hobbies or an old crafting project that you're holding on to, what really comes up for you? Like, take a moment to just kind of feel it out. Like, what really comes up for you? And what stories are you telling yourself about why you need to keep them? Now I want you to imagine something different. What would it feel like if you donated all of your unfinished, dead crafting projects, or if you passed along all of your old hobby items that you know you're not going to use again? What would that make space for? Maybe it's a space for a new hobby that actually excites you. Maybe it's space to breathe, both physically and mentally and in your environment. Or maybe it's simply space to create more peace in your home. More and more people want just less stuff. They just are tired and done with managing so much inventory in their life. But because you've spent so much mental energy and emotional energy and sometimes financial energy by bringing these things into your home and starting them and preparing them and doing all the things, that just the thought of releasing all of that feels like such an enormous loss. But here's the truth. Letting go isn't about what you're losing. It's about what you're gaining. So today, I invite you to really look at all those old projects and old hobbies with fresh eyes and ask yourself, does this still reflect the person that I am or that I want to be? And if not, it's time to thank them for their role in your life and let them go. Share in the comments below, what's the crafting project or outdated hobby item that's the hardest for you to let go of? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you're really feeling stuck with this, I would love to support you. I have complimentary clutter audit sessions where we go through, we talk about what's going on, and I help you identify those key pieces of clutter in your life that you might be willing and ready to let go of. And I can help give you strategies and tools and specific actions to help you begin clearing these things from your life. If you would love to claim one of these free complimentary strategy sessions and clutter audits, click the link below in the description of this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you know every single time an episode is released. And remember, when you clear the clutter, you make space for a life you truly love. See you next time. Mwah.